Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going back to back videos. So if you see me wearing the same shirt, then I'm sorry. Okay, if you're new to my channel, totally subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. But today I'm going to be giving you a video on 5 ways on how to style dress shirts like so. So yeah, let's jump into the video. I'll make this quick. I just filmed the mom jean one. You can go check that out. Today is dress shirts, okay? So tucked in, y'all. Tucking in dress shirts into pants looks really cute. I've been seeing a lot of this everywhere on Pinterest. I think it was like years ago. It was like on Pretty Little Thing. They had this pretty silk blouse, and they had on some, I think it was mom jeans, more than likely mom jeans. And they had it tucked in, and they had like it open, some cute little necklaces and stuff. I was like, wow, that looks really cute. I even went to Joann's to get a pattern to make it because I didn't have no money about it. But I tried to make it because I wanted to wear the outfit, but I never made it. I cut the pattern out, but never sewed it. I still got the fabric and everything. So yeah, that explains that. But mom jeans can work, boyfriend jeans can work, but perfectly high-waisted pants work. They don't have to be mom jeans, but they have to be high-waisted. And you tuck them in, leave a little cleavage, a little opening showing, and you be looking cute. Okay, wait, no, let me start over. Tied. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, tied. Tied. No laundry detergent. Tied. Tied. Basically putting it in a knot, tying it up, showing a little stomach. Some high-waisted jeans will look cute because, I mean, boyfriend jeans, well, it'll look cute that way too. I'm not going to lie. If you have like a high waist, like literally a high waist, then if you want to show out your waist, girl, do it. Like, I don't care. It's cute, okay? Show off your six-pack if you have one. But just tie the shirt up. You know what I'm saying? Tying a knot. Tying a knot, okay? But yeah, that looks really cute. You be showing a little stomach, a little waist, you know? Show off your body. Yes, tied. Okay, the next one is super tied. Now, I don't know if that's the correct term in calling it that, super tied, but it's still tied, but it's super tied, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so this tie, you unbutton the whole shirt. So basically you're just exposed, but not really. You get the two sides and you tie it together. So your waist is gonna be showing, it's gonna like a V. So you have a V down here showing your waist, and then you have a V up here. So basically what's gonna be covered is your breasts. Okay, so that is like one of my favorite looks. Like, I have yet to do it, to be honest. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about with this shirt. Cause it's already cropped, but it's a medium, so it's not really cropped. But you just tie it together. It looks really cute with mom jeans. I might do that today, but it's cold, so I might not do that today. I think oversized shirts will work better. So just go in your dad's closet. If he ain't got no long dress shirts that he don't like, then just say, Dad, can I borrow this shirt? Do you want this? I want to wear it. And then you put it on, and then you're good. Like, just tie it, super tie it. It's called super tie, cropped. Now what I'm wearing is a cropped. They didn't have a small, but I like this color, so I bought it anyways. This is a medium, and it's like frayed at the ends. I got this from Forever 21, and I'm going to put on some mom jeans with this. So I'm going to show you how I look with this on, like the whole fit. And yeah, so I was about to say that it was hard finding these, but I literally have 2 shirts that are this same, and from Forever 21. So cropped dress shirts are really cute. I really love them. I think this was like $20 at Forever 21, but this was the last one, so people was buying. Okay, and they had a green and pink one. It kind of reminded me of a watermelon, but that was like last year, so I don't know. But I bought this one this year, so they should probably still have some. Last but not least, accessorize it. Okay, you gotta accessorize Wear some cute medallion necklaces. I love medallion necklaces. They look so cute. Gold necklaces are really, really, really pretty. Silver, matte, gold is what's in, okay? A little chest, you know what I'm saying? A little bracelet, a little chest, a little cleavage, you know, all that good stuff. Kind of buttoned down, you know. I have 2 buttons, maybe go 3, maybe go 4 if you're feeling a little scandalous, you know what I'm saying? Mom jeans, in a question, point blank, period. They all look good with dress shirts. Like, it's not even a question. I prefer mom jeans to wear with dress shirts, but that's just me. Maybe you like boyfriend, maybe you like girlfriend. I like mom jeans, okay? So yeah, and as for shoes, you know, like those little cowboy boots, but not really cowboy boots. They have the buckles on them, but not buckles. You know what I'm saying? They have thigh-high, not thigh-high boots, sneakers, y'all. Vans, Air Force Ones with them socks. I've been seeing a lot of those. I don't have a pair of Air Force Ones. I have Jordans that look like Air Force Ones, but they're high tops, so I would never wear those with mom jeans. With dress shirts, but filas are cute, like the disruptors that everybody hates because they say they look like big shoes, like clown shoes. Don't listen to them. If you like them, wear them. You paid your money for it, wear them. Don't listen to what people say. They're just haters and they don't know how to dress, okay? I like a lot of, they have Yeezys. I don't have any Yeezys. I don't really buy anything from Kanye West like that, so I don't have the money to anyway. It's expensive. Well, I do have the money to, but it's not that pleasing to the eyes to me, okay? I have some Steve Madden shoes that look similar, but they look better in a sense. Sneakers really go with mom jeans, Vans, Converse, all that good stuff. So you gotta know how to accessorize it, because you can't just walk out the house looking plain. Throw some earrings in, throw some necklaces on, bracelet, scrunchies, you know? I have a lot of scrunchies. PacSun sells some cute scrunchies, so go there. But yeah, just do all that good stuff and you'll be good, honey, okay? I hope you enjoyed this 5 ways to style dress shirts. I'm going to be doing more fashion videos, so turn your post notifications and subscribe so you can get notified when I post more. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and well, not share, well, you can share it, but like, it's not 2012. Please do all that good stuff, and follow my Instagram. I post a lot of my looks on there, and yeah, I'm on there more, but I'm trying to upload every other day. But anyways, follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like, so people can see my videos in the algorithm. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, which is what I don't know, but yeah, I'll see you then. Okay.